Do you want to become a certified coach, master the coaching skills, and succeed in your coaching business? If your answer is yes, this really could be something interesting for you. We're organizing a game called the 10 Days Coaching Challenges from the 15th to the 25th of February. It's online, for free, and open to everyone. The principle is simple. Participants will get a daily exercise to do and then share their feedback on how they accomplish it, their emotions, feelings while doing the exercise, and the outcome they got. By the end of the 10 days, a jury composed by Carl Van Hoy, Avni Martin, Ruqayya Khan, and I picked 3 winners for whom we offer amazing prizes, ranging from helping them with their coaching skills to creating their websites. If you'd like to join us, get on board in this adventure and learn while having fun. Click on the link below, get more information, and then register. See you there.